Eat with Steve. Today we are making a delicious kale salad. Kale, 2 honey apples, 2 avocados, lemon, sweet onion, olive oil, salt. What I like to do, I want to take out the stem because the stem is a little hard. I know it's a little work, but I think in the long run, we're going to have a better salad. Everything takes time, love, and care. TLC. I love the spinner because it gets rid of all the water. Now we have a beautiful kale. Just always like to wash the onions with a little vinegar, so take out the heat. Another splash. So right now we have the onions with vinegar. We're just gonna take out the vinegar. So I put the apples in a bucket. So what I like to do, I like to put a little bit of vinegar and wash them out with the water. That's all you need to do. You give it a nice rinse. We're gonna slice the apples for the salad. What we're gonna do, we're gonna dice the apples. You see, when the avocado is ripe, it's so easy to remove the skin. So when you like avocados, please go to the store, buy a few avocados, leave them outside, and that way you're really going to save time when you're making a salad or anywhere you want to use the avocado. Beautiful. So we got lemon juice from 2 lemons. And now we're going to use double the amount of the lemon juice with olive oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to give it a nice shake. So right now what we're going to do, we're going to pour the dressing and I'm going to massage the kale. If you would like to have good kale, like easy to bite, you have to massage the kale. Now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Onions, apples, and avocado. So now we're gonna give a mix. Now we're taking all the ingredients together. The kale salad.
A kale salad.
Yes. How about you try it and you tell me what do you think?
Yeah.
I think you like it.
I love it. Wow. It's the perfect combination between sweet and salty. It's great.
I mean, what I like about it is like, I like tasting the kale, and I am not a big fan of kale, okay? But I like how we did it. I really taste the lemon a little bit, and then the sweetness from the apple. And what happened with avocado became a part of the dressing. So every bite you take, the avocado is there, but it's not taking over the salad. Good food, good energy.
I really
Bam!